In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're adding a new delivery van or a company truck to your business, recording vehicle purchases accurately in your financial records is essential for bookkeeping and tax purposes. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to track these fixed assets, ensuring your business stays organized and compliant. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, start by opening QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access the available options. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where all of your financial accounts are listed, and this is the section where we'll be adding your new vehicle purchase. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look to the top right corner again. You'll see a button labeled New Account. Click on that to begin setting up your new account for the vehicle. Next, you'll need to enter a clear and descriptive name for the account. For example, if this vehicle is a delivery van, you might name the account Vehicle Delivery Van. If it's a pickup truck, you could name it Vehicle Pickup Truck. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify this specific asset within your records. After naming the account, it's time to set the account type. For vehicle purchases, you'll want to select Fixed Asset as the account type. Fixed assets include long-term property like vehicles, equipment, and other valuable resources your business owns. Once you've selected Fixed Asset, you'll be prompted to choose a detail type. For a vehicle, set the detail type to Vehicle. This ensures the account is categorized correctly for tracking and reporting purposes. Now, you'll need to enter the original cost of the vehicle. This amount should include the purchase price as well as any additional costs like sales tax and destination fees. Accurately recording the total cost ensures your financial records reflect the true value of the asset. When everything is filled out, double-check your entries to make sure all the information is correct. Then click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the screen. This finalizes the setup and adds the new vehicle account to your chart of accounts. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your financial records up to date is a great way to stay on top of your business's assets and ensure everything is organized for tax time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.